like...
That's slow. Slow compared to the big side. Oh, way, yeah, because we were cutting a little long. 14 like this with the big side. You only second line down. Let me try it again. Okay, I want to see if
This is pipe number 1. We got 3 pipes we've been working on. That was impressive. You can't bog it. Wow. I don't know if we need to. That was impressive.
we could, but this thing seems good. Yeah, and I don't. Let's go inside.
It's cold out here.
Yeah, we can put this.
The
wind start blowing. I'll bring the muffler.
Okay, we took the muffler
Let's
off.
not clamp it on there too.
Holy cow.
I'm thinking I'm forensic. You thinking this is a good one? Oh, that one doesn't have any spring hanger on the bottom. That pipe either. You know that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we did. It's got one on it. Or is it on the side? It's this one that doesn't have one.
No, we got them both. That's right, on the 660s, I put them top and bottom.
This is our pipe that we've been dialing in for the 660. We're testing it on the 572.
Get out. Longer spring. Get on there. No. Just as long as it doesn't break on me. Wiggle that around. Yeah, lift it up a little. Hold it out.
We've been testing pipes like crazy. Got that one. 395. This 550 XP is probably the one we're most impressed with. We do have a 261 pipe that we've got built. Does not like the 660 pipe.
No, it's too aggressive. It's just like I told you, I think the porting's more radical.
Yeah, it does have more radical porting for sure.
So, the problem is the tapers on that pipe are too steep.
Okay.
It wants to over-scavenge the cylinder, yes.
Whereas the other pipe, just about perfect.
Yeah, it seems to pull hard. I liked it.
Yeah, I liked watching. I could tell you were pushing and it was just going.
Yeah, it just kept moving forward. So 1 second slow.
Testing pipes there. Over here we got a slew of them. We're playing with 880 pipe. We still need to make changes on that. It didn't have what we wanted. This one here is the 3120 pipe. So yes, it's there's quite a bit involved to making pipes. It's easy to make a pipe, but we're talking about a pipe that actually creates power. Okay, whatever it is that we're working on. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of stuff. Thanks for watching. We sure appreciate all the good comments and the good support that you guys give us. Keep us going on making this kind of stuff for you. Hopefully we can put something together that's actually gonna benefit. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.